Yo boys, today's fucking week 3. Yes, I'm blinded, but no, we are about to make some fucking peas, mate. So, the first week, we started with $100. The goal was to flip that to $200 to double the account. Well, we did that. Fucking killer. And then the second week, so last week, was $200. What were we doing then? We were going to double the account. Can you fucked work out what we're going to turn it into? 200 into $400. Well done, you fucking smashed it. At least you can do something, you fucking pathetic piece of shit. Now, this week is week 3. We have a balance of around $425. I would get my phone out, but I can't find the fucker, so I don't know what to tell you. But this week, we're going to plan to turn from $400 into $800. Now, if we don't do that, may as well just go jump off of the fucking bridge and absolutely just shit myself. So, if you haven't already subbed the fuck up and enjoy the rest of the video. So in this video, you're going to see all trades Monday to Friday. I'm going to give you the breakdown, why I took it, why I exit, the fucking peas I make, and you're going to watch me go splash some fucking cash on some fucking... Can't say that. Won't say that. Fuck the illegal immigrant. Yeah, I'm just going to get cancelled if I put all this in the video, so let's cut all that shit, because none of that can go in, let's be honest. But boys, I'm off on the way to the gym. Off to go fucking work my buys. Fucking for the men. I like men. Obviously I'm joking. We are risking $40 today, so we're looking for that 1 to 2 hour of around 80. It's fighting, it's resisting. This green line that I drew out, again, this is what I always show in every video. I'll always show areas where I believe price can potentially break out and reverse, even when we're in profit. So this is one of them. As you can see here, prices be resistance here. So what becomes resistance, then there has to become support, right? Go down to 1 minute now. You can see here, price has just reversed off of the previous of this support level that I mentioned. That price has just reversed off of this support area that I had earlier on in the video. So now I just go down to the 1 minute and micro manage it. As you can see, lovely volume, lovely volume, lovely push. We just want to continue doing so. So we're now up 55. We're up. I also want to know. Right, we're up for 1.45. Price is done around 12, 13 points. So around this area, I always find that price consolidates with FRA40. Always around like 15 points area. My alarm's going off. Last week, every single day last week, it was always doing some sort of consolidation around this area. So, yeah. But because of the break and then the retest on the previous support, I do like that a lot. Gives me a lot of confidence to stay in this trade. But yeah, let's see what happens. If it reverses, we're at break even at this point, so. Again, it's resisting it, but I really don't know how strong that resistance is. Matt, we're going to take that long. We are going to take the loss there. It is what it is. Not a full loss, just a 0.5 loss. We were risking $40 there, but it's not worth sitting in a trade like that when it's just doing some bullshit. So, I'll be honest with you boys, I did actually just make another small re-entry, if I'm being honest with you.
Yo, so look boys, I did actually break my rules on this occasion. I took a re-entry. I didn't risk a full $40. I actually just risked 20. I ended up closing early anyway. It was just some bullshit. So I did actually take 2 trades, broke my rules, and lost this day. But again, not a full 1 hour loss. Minus 1 hour was a 0.775 because we lost $30, which is 75%. But we go again tomorrow.
So this is this morning's trade. What I would have said right? Obviously I took 2 entries stupidly, but still not at a full loss. But what should have happened this morning is, I don't know why, but my entry is so late. So what it should have been really is a break of the structure here. Super simple. I'd taken my entry just under these wicks, right? Under these wicks, just like so. We'd have come down and easily hit our take profit, but don't know. My entry was late today. It's one of them days. Fuck it. You know what I mean? We come back tomorrow. We just swallow it. That's the whole plan. That sounds fucking weird, but yeah. Monday, sell 2 trades. LL. 8-point stop. 4 lots taken. 0.75. Here's a screenshot. So this is also in the Google sheet. This is in the description, so you can literally go check all this shit out. And yeah, again we go tomorrow. Boom. Market opens in 10 seconds. We have our support and we have our resistance. See what happens. Oh, what is it doing? Breaking. It's already breaking pre-market. Right, this is market open. It's already broken. Is this really what it's doing? So it's got a little pullback there. Right, nice. Let me just go to the 1 minute real quick. Hopefully this site pulls back. See how it's already broken? But if not, we're going to have to just get in. Alright, we're in. Boys, if you do want these fib settings, I will update them. I know a few of you have been saying these are what they are in the description, which is true. So I'll make sure to update them in this video so you can grab them. There she goes. Lovely. There's our 1-to-1 just being hit. Alright, so we're coming up to that consolidation zone. I find with FRA40, every time it hits around 10-15 points, we just end up consolidating and doing a lot of bullshit. Alright, so see what happens now. Actually, all I'm doing is just sitting on my hands right now. Not doing right a lot. Sticking to my plan and just wait until it hits what it needs to hit. And if it don't hit it, we'll come back again tomorrow. That's all it is at this point. No, I'm really liking this wick on the 5 minute. This is showing me that we've got some sellers in the fucking market. Oh shit, we're pushing. Alright. Oh god, still pushing. Oh bro, what am I doing? What am I doing? See this, boys? Do you know what's kicking in right now? Because I took that loss yesterday. Greed's kicking in. I'm like, oh, I need more because I lost yesterday. I'm fully clocking it whilst I'm sat here. I'm being stupid now. I'm being very, very fucking stupid. If I have to learn my lesson, then so be it. Go on. Boom. Woo! And that's how you fucking do it. See that? That's what I'm talking about. So look, boys, that is a prime example so far in this video. The first day, Monday, I took a loss. $30. Now, I have an understanding and know that I'm risking $40 per trade at this point because we're at $400, and every time we double the account, we are doubling the risk. So we started at $100, risking $10, got it to $200. At $200, started risking $20, then got it from $200 to $400, now risking $40. Now I understand this, right? And this is the most important part, and this is the reason why I decided to do this challenge in the first place, because it's a real testament of risk management. Whether you can get your account from 100 up to 1,000, the only way you're going to be able to do this, besides just taking one lucky trade and holding it for fucking God knows how long and just getting lucky and swinging it all the way to 1,000, the only way you're going to be able to do this is if you can learn to risk manage and hold your trades and hold your discipline. This is why I say to people are like, oh, I might just bang a bag in trading or $1,000 in trading. No, there's no point banging why put $1,000 in trading? It's fucked. There's no point doing that. And here is the difference, and here is the thing that people don't talk about. I've not seen speak a lot. The way I've become and the way I'm becoming, as it currently stands, profitable, slowly but surely, is I've changed my identity. Now, what the fuck you on about, Brandon? Chatting shit. Now, listen to me. I had to switch my identity when it comes to trading. Rather than looking at this shit like, oh, I'm here to make money, oh, I'm going to bang a bag in because more money equals more money. No. Until I switched my identity, meaning like, okay, I am going to be someone who follows my rules, follows my plan, follows my structure, and I more care about following my system and my rules more than the actual money made. If you can really become that person, this is the person I'm trying to become as it currently stands, that's when things starts clicking for me. And this is all within the past month. You guys have just seen me going the entire fucking year, blowing accounts, losing money, unprofitable. But I started this YouTube channel on a fucking demo account. And all within 30 days, shit's clicking. I've become funded. I'm about to get my first payout. I'm about to take $100 to $1,000, which I've never been able to do before. All within 30 fucking days of just having one of them moments, one of them clicks, and just being like, after losing thousands of dollars in front of you all, in front of fucking hundreds of thousands of views, I had to make a change. I had to make a difference. I had to understand what is it that's going wrong. And here we are. This is why I made the whiteboard. Now, on this whiteboard, it's not me saying I made minus $30 today. I made $80 today. Oh, I made $200 today. It's what's the RR? Like, am I following the system? So I'm aiming for 1 to 2s, risking 1R. Doing it on a point system rather than a fucking monetary system. This is how, and this is why my mindset's changed and my psychology's got so much better. Because yesterday I know I'm down 0.75R. Now today I know I'm up 2. Now, it doesn't matter what the dollar amount is, because this could be down $750 and this could be up $2,000. It doesn't matter. What matters is what's the RR? What is the risk-reward ratio that you're coming out of every single week? Are you up on RR or are you down? Because someone could be like, I made $100,000 this week trading, but they risked $75,000 on a fucking trade. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Does not matter. Are you up risk-reward ratio-wise? Because all the other shit don't matter. Stop focusing on the money. Focus on the system. That's all you got to do. This is what's helping me. And by me teaching this, it helps me deeper implement this into my trading, which is why I'm growing so fucking quick right now, which is why you motherfuckers are seeing all this come up. Especially if you are following my Instagram, you are seeing this shit every single day, every single morning, every single afternoon. London session, New York session, real life, daytime, fucking daily updates. On YouTube, it's a little more quiet because these are weekly uploads. So if you want to see this shit uploaded daily, follow me on Instagram. But yo, on to day 3. Fucking let's get it.
All right, we're in. We are in, boys. We are in. Now, if we...
So look, I entered this trade and I waited, 40 minutes, 45 minutes into session. This is a prime example of why you walk away from the session if there's no entry being given within the first 15 to 20 minutes max. Today I forced an entry, hence why we just got fucked in the ass.
Oh, bro, for fuck's sake. I held that. Why did I hold that so fucking long? Disappointed in myself. Fucking hell. That was really bad trading. Oh, that was such bad trading. Horrible trading right there. Oh, I learned from my mistakes. I waited 40 minutes for an entry. Then I held my fucking loss way too long. I've done that. I haven't done that in a while, to be honest with you. But then, I think because I waited so long, I was like, I have to win.
fuck's sake. Oh, it is what it is, innit? Fucking happens, right? Yeah, fucking is what it is. Learn from our mistakes, boys. That's all I'll say.
Yo, boys, I'll be honest with you. I literally woke up fucking 30 seconds ago. And I was like, shit. I slept through my alarms. I was like, oh, fuck. I need to get up for trading. So, I literally not even marked up the charts. I've just put on my fib now.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
My fucking eyes, I can barely see. For those that don't know, I have really fucking bad eyes. God, boys, you can tell I'm fucking tired this morning. I just gone on my OBS, I've not even properly fucking done my screen. What it is, yeah, is last night I was trading on my funded account. And I was trading Asia session because I couldn't sleep, I was up late. So I traded Asia session, took a quick dub on that. We got some sort of a break and retest structure going on here. It started moving so quick at the beginning that, like, if you look at my P&Ls now, my top two positions are almost like double. Oh, there we go. Fucking hell, she's still pushing. Is that just done the same thing and I've not fucking exited like a dickhead? You see this, boys? It's a clear example of why you create a plan and stick to it. Because as you can see here, one, I hit take profit in 4 minutes. Then I hit it again and didn't exit because I'm talking about more volume. This is the issue. Trying to top tick and bottom tick is the reason why we all go wrong. So look at this shit. Got into minus and I'm sat in this trade like a bell end. And we could have avoided all this. And we could have just, avoided having more grey hairs needed than fucking necessary. So yeah, stick to your plan. And this is a reminder to myself as much as it is as you guys. So yeah, psychology was off mad this week. Do not know why, but all a bit fuckerooed. So why is he not fucking breaking past? Just hit the fucking take profit, you fucking bastard. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Fucking have it. Fucking have it. Jesus, I promise you. God, fucking Jesus, I promise you. If like this hits my take profit and I hit my 1 to 2 RR, I promise you, I'm done. I'm gone. I'll trade properly on a formal plan. Yo, fucking close that shit. Fucking close. You fucking. Oh, bro, you fucking mad. You fucking mad. Yo, jeez. Like I'm being captured from fucking ISIS. Honestly, I feel like it. But boys, listen to me. That. You're gonna focus. That was fucking torture. That was fucking torture, boys. Good news, we've just hit over $500 in the account. But bruv, what the fuck was that trading? That was the most disgusting, most horrible, non-systematic, mechanical trading I've fucking done this week, right? Listen. That pain, sometimes it's good though. The pain makes you change. As soon as I see that 1 to 2, I'm fucking dipping, bruv. I cannot be arsed. Even if the move is this big, I'm cool with this. That's what I've decided. That was the moment. That was the turning point. Fucking hell. Horrible. I don't want no to do with that shit. But yeah, boys, we are now up $500 on the account. We're now up fucking 500. We're halfway there. God, it's fucking. We're getting there. We're getting there, boys. Jeez, right now it's 9:17. But I've been in that trade for an hour and fucking 20 minutes. An hour and 15, 20 minutes.
Bro, you fucking man. Right, anyway, I need to get on my fucking life.